This is Eddie's house. We're just starting work on it. We just scaffolded it, and there's a real big problem with some cracking. And what's happened is actually the stonework has actually started to bulge out quite badly, and you can see the crack running down, and this section here bulges out. So what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to put some strong boys in high up with some acros to hold it, so we can support the top of the wall and remove this section and then build it back up. These walls are built in two distinct sections. You've got an inner and outer wall filled with hearting down the middle. So one of the first things we're going to have to do is inside, we'll again support everything with acros, and we'll lime mortar all the inside stonework which hasn't moved with the outside, so as they're actually separate, and so that when we take the outside down, the inside won't follow it and collapse, so it's nice and stable. This section of wall is opposite the bulge on the other side, and when we strip the other side down, what we don't want to happen is this stonework to fall out, and basically the whole gable end will end up collapsing. The wall's actually built of very rough boulders out the fields, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to pin all these joints in with other bits of rubble, and then fill all the voids with lime mortar, so the whole wall becomes stabilised. So when we take the outside wall down, the inside one won't follow it. Because they're actually separate walls, we can actually stabilise this separately from the outside, so we can just work on the outside. So first thing we're going to be doing tomorrow morning is working on this, pinning it and packing all these joints with lime mortar before we start on the new outside work.